Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about vulture conservation breeding centers. Okay, so vulture conservation and breeding center. So the BNHS, Bombay Natural History Society, they have established 4 vulture conservation breeding centers across India. Okay, so out of that, one of them is Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center. Okay, so Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center, it is a joint project of Bombay Natural History Society, shortly we can call it as BNHS, and the Haryana Forest Department. Because Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center, it is at Haryana at Pinjore. Okay, so that's why Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center, it's a joint project of the Bombay Natural History Society and Haryana Forest Department. Okay, so this Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center, it is a collaborative initiative of a government agency as well as a non-governmental organization. We know about Bombay Natural History Society, BNHS. It's a non-governmental organization, right? So Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center is a collaborative initiative of a government agency and a non-governmental organization. Okay, so that initiative is focusing on saving the 3 species of vultures in India. That means the white-backed, long-billed and slender-billed vultures. So these are the 3 species: white-backed, long-billed and slender-billed vultures. So in order to save these 3 species of vultures, this initiative was formed. Now this Vulture Conservation Breeding Centers, that means VCBC, it was earlier called as Vulture Care Center, that means VCC. Okay, so VCC was the earlier name of Vulture Conservation Breeding Center. Okay, so Vulture Care Center is the earlier name of Vulture Conservation Breeding Center. So that Vulture Conservation Breeding Center was established in September 2001 with the UK government's Darwin Initiative for the Survival of Species Fund. Right. So in order to investigate the dramatic declines in India's gypsy species of vultures, Vulture Conservation Breeding Center was established in September 2001 with the UK government's Darwin Initiative for the Survival of Species Fund. Okay. So this initiative, Vulture Conservation Breeding Center or the Vulture Care Center, that was the early name, right? So that Vulture Care Center was initiated in order to investigate the dramatic declines in India's gypsy species of vultures. We know that in 1990s and all, vultures population was decreasing at a faster rate. Mainly it was because of the use of an anti-inflammatory drug called as diclofenac, right? So we all know about it. So in order to investigate on that, Vulture Care Center was established in 2001. Okay, then as a precaution against these 3 species going extinct, the Bombay Natural History Society set up around 4 breeding centers. Okay, so one was Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center at Pinjore, Haryana, right? And others are Vulture Conservation Breeding Center at West Bengal, Vulture Conservation Breeding Center at Assam, and Vulture Conservation Breeding Center at Madhya Pradesh. So these are the 4 conservation breeding centers, Vulture Conservation Breeding Centers India is having, and the one in Haryana is having another name, a special name, that is called as Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center. So it's also a Vulture Conservation Breeding Center. So the Vulture Conservation Breeding Center at Pinjore, that means the Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center at Pinjore. Okay, it's a joint project of the Bombay Natural History Society and the Haryana Forest Department to save the 3 species of vultures, that means the white-backed, long-billed and slender-billed vultures from the looming extinction. Okay, so these are the main points you have to remember. Now you also need to know about the location of this Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center because it was in news. The one Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center was in news, that's why you need to know about the location of it. So the center is situated at the base of Shivalik ranges of Himalayan foothills. That means it lies around 8 km from Pinjore. Okay, and it spreads over around 5 acres of Haryana Forest Department lands in village Jodhpur. Right, now let's move on to the model question. With reference to the Jadayu Conservation Breeding Center, consider the following statements. The Vulture Conservation Breeding Center was established to investigate the dramatic declines in India's gypsy species of vultures. So that's a correct statement, right? It is a collaborative initiative to save the 3 species of vultures, the white-backed, long-billed and slender-billed from looming extinction. So that was the aim. So second statement is also correct. Now the third statement, it's a joint project of the Bombay Natural History Society and the Haryana Forest Department. So that's also a correct statement, right? So the answer for this question is C, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, thank you.